welcome back to Between Layers Aviation. Brian here with my dad and Jose. We are in the Cessna 340 today, headed back from a ski trip in Vermont, about Albany Airport, New York, to Papa Lima November, Pellston.
We're 64 Kilo Tango, Albany Tower, wind 2008, runway 19, clear for takeoff.
Hear that?
Yeah, I did, but I'm not ready.
Okay.
We're going to need about 30 seconds here to get ready.
We're 4 Kilo Tango, advise ready.
So we're ready to go here, almost on runway 19. We're going to have a IFR flight today. Hope you enjoy it. Hang with us. We had a really good time skiing with my buddy Adam. We'll make some video in of that here, as you'll see a bit later. And Tower 64 Kilo Tango is ready to go at 19.
Number 4 Kilo Tango, runway 19, clear for takeoff.
Runway 19, clear for takeoff, 4 Kilo Tango.
Okay, boost pumps are on, gas is on the mains, plugged in there, lights, camera, action, here we go. Radar vectors, right? Right.
Yeah, radar vectors to 4,000.
Boost pumps are on, nobody's coming there.
You're right.
Needles alive, pressures are good, fuel flow's fine. There we go. Gears up. Gears up.
Number 4 Kilo Tango, contact departure.
Over to departure, 4 Kilo Tango. And Albany departure, Twin Cessna 64 Kilo Tango with you now off of 19, runway headed.
Twin Cessna 64 Kilo Tango, Albany departure, radar contact. Turn right heading 280, climb and maintain 10,000, say altitude leaving.
Right heading 280, climb maintain 10,000, leaving 1,400, 4 Kilo Tango.
JetBlue 88, channel thing 270, descend and maintain 2,000.
270 down to 2,000, JetBlue 88.
Ask him if he's got any top reports.
And Albany departure, 4 Kilo Tango.
That's just a 4 Kilo Tango, Albany.
We wonder if you have any reports of tops.
Last report I had tops in the vicinity of 8,000.
Thanks.
Thanks, 4 Kilo Tango.
JetBlue 88, turn left heading 170 to intercept.
Left turn 170, intercept, JetBlue 88.
Heato heat's on. We got 40 degrees outside right now.
Okay.
280, third to 10,000.
To lose the D.
I just did there. It does that once in a blue moon.
Huh. And we're IMC.
Marker 5 Bravo Bravo, report cancellation of IFR this frequency on the ground via 128.6, change to advisor frequency approved.
Over
2 advisories. We'll get back to you as quickly as we can. 5 Bravo Bravo. Good day.
Field in sight for JetBlue 88.
JetBlue 88, clear visual, approach runway 19er.
Clear for the visual, 19 JetBlue 88.
I have almost 50 degrees at 4,000.
Cessna 4 Kilo Tango, clear direct Pellston.
Clear direct Pellston, 4 Kilo Tango. Yeah, we were just between layers there for a moment.
Gonna get bumpy at some point. Well,
Because of the difference in temperatures, or?
yep, and the winds. The winds are going to shift around to the west. They were blowing out of the south, basically, when we took off.
Got it.
Just like tumbling water, that's all it is.
JetBlue 88, contact tower 119.5.
19.5, talk to you later, JetBlue 88.
Out of 5 for 10. Here comes the sun.
Contact 29er traffic 3 miles south of your position, northeastbound.
It's all right now.
Nice. Very nice. Love that.
Yep, it never gets old, Jose.
Doesn't, does it?
Nope.
Right above. Nice. Beautiful.
Where's the OAT on here?
See what?
Where's the outside air temp here?
Right here, just
you
below
got?
50, so 9 Celsius.
9 Celsius?
Yeah, and this one also will show up if you want to scroll through it. Here's how you scroll through it.
Yep, okay.
It's showing 38 here. I don't know which one's lying to me and not lying to me. This is still steady, right below 10. There, that one's coming up a little bit, 39. So 4 Celsius.
Okay, I'm gonna pyre up here.
Yep.
And Albany 64 Kilo Tango's gonna pyre up when you're ready.
Go ahead.
Tops 5,200 between layers, outside air temperature 9 degrees Celsius.
Cessna 4 Kilo Tango, thank you.
And we didn't have really icing, did we?
Nope, not at that temperature, so he'll understand it with 9 cells, so
Yeah.
let's see if we get on top at 8 like he's saying. It doesn't look like it's going to. Not sure we're going to be on top at 10. We'll figure that out though. We're still warm outside.
Yeah, that hole's pretty thin, it looks like there. But who knows?
Like there's rain over there on our left.
No, it's just a cloud shadow.
Cloud shadow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cessna 4 Kilo Tango, I did have a Dash 8 about 40 miles ahead of you. They were at 10, reported light turbulence. They did climb to 12 for a better ride.
Yeah, we may do that then.
Alright, thanks for that. We'll keep that in mind. 64 Kilo Tango.
Mechanic 529er traffic, no factor.
Roger, 529er.
I've been going through this stuff.
That's a ways away yet. That's 100 miles away yet. That might be where that one report was. It was getting some icing and stuff. See, this is all the mess I was waiting for the way to go through, and that's why I said, we get out of here later, better. Even though I know it's a little bit later for you.
Yeah.
But you're going to gain an hour.
I've already lost that hour though.
But you're going to gain it back.
Alright, bottoms here are what?
77.
700. And temperature went down a bit to
I got 42 or so outside. One says 34 there.
Oh, let's say 8 degrees
Pitot
Celsius.
heat's on here, we'll see. If we pick up any ice, we know our way out is down.
Right.
Albany, Lindbergh, 6271, 11,000.
Lindbergh 6271, Albany approach, Albany altimeter 2988, information Mike's current expect ILS runway 19 approach.
All right, 2988, expecting ILS 19, Lindbergh, 6271.
Count that as tops or not?
Say what?
Do we count that as tops or not?
Not yet. Getting awful close though, aren't we?
Yep, it's bright.
I don't think 10's gonna do it, man.
Want to go higher?
Lindbergh 6261, descend to maintain 4,000.
Down to 4,000, Lindbergh,
Ask him.
6271.
12.
Asking for 12.
Albany 64 Kilo Tango, like to request 12,000.
Approach Lindbergh 6271, just verify those for us. Use the wrong call sign.
Lindbergh 6271, affirmative, descend to maintain 4,000.
Hold on a minute.
Alright.
Oh, we got it.
We're skimming it.
Yeah, just a
Cessna
second.
4 Kilo Tango, maintain 10,000. I'll have a handoff to center here for you momentarily.
Fire, maintain 10,000, 4 Kilo Tango.
We'll be okay. We'll see.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Isn't it pretty?
Oh,
That's why we like it so much.
like you say, it never gets old, but...
It doesn't get old, especially when you're sitting up here.
Right, when you're doing it and you're causing it, and yeah, it is, it's phenomenal. Sun feels good.
Cessna 4 Kilo Tango, contact Boston Center 121.35, that'll higher for you.
Okay, over to Boston 12135, 64 Kilo Tango. Boston Center 64 Kilo Tango with you now, 10,000, looking for higher.
64 Kilo Tango, Boston Center, climb maintain 12,000. The Rome altimeter is 2980.
I maintain 12,000, Rome altimeter 2980, and we've got a pirate for you when you're ready.
Stay right. AC 4463, contact
No
Boston
icing.
Center 133.42.
Negative icing.
3342, 4463.
64 Kilo Tango, go ahead.
Base is 7,700, tops 10,000, outside air temperature minus 3 degrees Celsius.
Negative icing.
All right, thank you.
$26 now.
Yeah, that's why.
11,000, and we're looking good. Should be like this most of the way home. If we have to go higher, we'll go higher.
Oh, this is beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
Lightly going through these things, oh. What are we, 12,000 or?
Almost 12. We're at 11.2 now. We're going to go up to 12 and level off there just to stay in the sunshine and out of the clouds.
Sweet.
Number 64 Kilo Tango, contact Boston Center 127.37.
Okay, over to Boston Center 127.37, 64 Kilo Tango, have a good one.
There you go. All right.
Boston Center, Twin Cessna 64 Kilo Tango with you now, flight level 120.
Number 64 Kilo Tango Boston Center, roger, the Rome altimeter 2980.
2980, 64 Kilo Tango.
November 6 Mike Bravo, cross speeder at maintain 15,000, the stored altimeter 991.
Okay, it's start speed at 15,006 Mike Bravo.
Yeah, I know.
Gas 25,
Should get better as we go.
altimeter 2978.
2978.
What's Celsius temp there, since I suck at converting it?
Oh, right now it's 0.
Right on money?
Yeah, we got according to this. Let's see what this says. Hold on. Yeah, 0.
Yeah.
For all practical purposes.
And we're doing 300 degrees?
306 it says. No.
No, our heading though right now.
Oh,
300, 301.
301.
Oh,
61, we got a 51 knot
51
headwind.
knot
It
headwind.
should get less as we go.
All right, we're leveled off. Cruising.
All right, we got 5 hours of fuel and it says 3 hours and 30 minutes to go. We should be good.
Okay.
Awesome. Wind still all right?
52 knots on the nose.
52, okay.
Yeah.
Went up a little.
Yep, as we go north, it should get less for us.
I see.
Reliant 971, kind of Boston Center, 134.3, 34.3.
34.3 for
Might have to go up.
71 good day.
It looks like it's rising in front of us.
Maybe.
Okay, we're gonna be fine. We'll stay
Yeah.
out of it all the way home.
Yeah.
That's Pellston right now. Oh, look at Pellston.
1.5 mile light snow, broken.
13 gusts at 27. But I think, let's see, what time we get there. Time is it now? It's almost 5, so 5 and 5 is 10, 2200, so we're going to be there. Yeah, it'll be a lot better. 6 miles in light snow, blowing snow.
Okay. Kind of down.
Then it goes down again later tonight.
Right. Alright, so we're in cruise flight, and Boston Center just notified us of a SIGMET of severe turbulence over Toronto. We think it's from surface to 3,000 feet, but we're just going to check it on the high WAS here.
Zulu, update 3, valid until 0300 Zulu. Icing for Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, New York, Lake Ontario, Pennsylvania, Lake Erie, and coastal waters.
November 5
Moderate
Zulu,
icing
affirmative,
between
maintain
cruising level and
2000,
run
Wheeler Tech
1000.
altimeter
Airmet
2970.
Zulu, update 3, valid until 0300 Zulu. Icing for Wisconsin, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron.
In the
Moderate
Wheeler Tech
icing
altimeter
between 3000
2978.
and 8000. Pilot weather reports are requested. Contact flight service for additional details. Hazardous weather in domestic U.S. airspace within a 150 nautical mile radius of the Syracuse VOR recorded at 2051 Zulu. Boston SIGMET November 2, valid until 2236 Zulu. From 20 nautical miles north-northwest of Kennebunk to 90 nautical miles south-southeast of Bangor to 120 nautical miles east of Nantucket to 50 nautical miles south of East Hampton to 30 nautical miles east of Albany to 20 nautical miles north-northwest of Kennebunk Occasional severe turbulence below 15,000 due to strong low-level winds. Reported by Canadair Challenger. Conditions continuing after 2236 Zulu. AirNet Sierra, update 6, valid until 0300 Zulu. IFR conditions for Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Maryland, Delaware, and coastal waters. Ceilings below 1,000, visibility below 3 miles, precipitation, mist and fog. AirNet Sierra, update 6, valid until 0300 Zulu. Mountain obscuration for Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, Massachusetts, New York, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Maryland, Virginia. Mountains obscured by clouds and precipitation, mist. AirNet Tango, update 5, valid until 0300 Zulu. See Signet November series. Low-level wind shear potential for Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New York, Lake Ontario, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, and coastal waters. Low-level wind shear expected. AirNet Tango, update 5, valid until 0300 Zulu. See Signet November series. Turbulence for Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New York, Lake Ontario, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Lake Erie, and coastal waters. Moderate turbulence between 1-2000 and flight level 360. AirNet Tango, update 5, valid until 0300 Zulu. See Signet November series. Turbulence for Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New York, Lake Ontario, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Lake Erie, West Virginia, Maryland, District of Columbia, Delaware, Virginia, and coastal waters. Moderate turbulence below 1-2000. AirNet Zulu, update 3, valid until 0300 Zulu. Icing for Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, New York, Lake Ontario, Pennsylvania, Lake Erie, and coastal waters. Moderate icing between freezing level and 1-1000. AirNet Zulu, update 3, valid until 0300 Zulu. Icing for Wisconsin, Lake Michigan, Michigan, Lake Huron. Moderate icing between 3,000 and 8,000. Pilot weather reports are requested. Contact flight service for additional details.
No, I didn't get anything off of that.
Only thing I heard was occasional severe turbulence below 15,000 reported by a Challenger.
Yeah.
But
We'll see how it goes here. We're below maneuvering speed.
but that was Syracuse's high was, right?
Well, they should be covering all the area there. So he said we were going to fly right through it.
But that was over Toronto, right?
Yes, and that's to our west a bit.
Yeah, and I don't see a VOR with the high was. But in Toronto area. But that's maybe also because maybe they don't have that in Canada.
Tier 331 Boston Center, roger.
I mean, the next closest is Alpena, but we're not going to pick that up.
Nope.
Boston, good afternoon. Endeavor 5476 out of 17,500 for flight level 250.
Endeavor 5476 Boston Center, roger. Clear direct Albany.
Clear direct Albany, Endeavor 5476.
Well, so inconclusive then. We'll see what happens. And Trenton, Twin Cessna 64 Kilo Tango with request.
64 Kilo Tango, send.
Yeah, we'd like to see if we get 130 for the flight level. We can see some tops creeping up ahead of us here.
64 Kilo Tango, roger. Just be advised that'll be a runway altitude.
We're aware of that, or give us a block.
Yeah, we're aware of that, or we can take a block between 120 and 130.
64 Kilo Tango, not a problem at all. Climb 13,000.
Yeah, you climbed to 13,000, 64 Kilo Tango. She said one-way?
Say what?
What'd she say, a one-way altitude?
Wrong way altitude.
Wrong way altitude. Oh.
We're heading west.
Yeah. I thought she said one-way altitude. I was like, what? Okay. Or one-time altitude. Like, this is your only favor. Or there's a wind change beyond that air, that roll.
64 Kilo Tango, is it better at 13,000?
So we're still on top now.
Yeah, 64 Kilo Tango, we're still on top. It looks like we'll clear ahead too. We'll keep you advised. I heard a Jazz aircraft down earlier. Were they in our flight path?
64 Kilo Tango, they were, and they're now at 16,000, so 14,000 wasn't even good enough for them.
Where are they headed?
And which direction are they headed?
64 Kilo Tango, they're heading to Toronto. They are currently 26 miles to your northwest.
Okay.
2 to 12 o'clock, sorry.
We'll let you know.
Okay, we'll let you know. Yeah, we're looking, you know, that 3 to 12 o'clock direction. That looks a lot higher than they're right ahead of us here right now. So I think we're good for the moment. 64 Kilo Tango.
64 Kilo Tango, roger.
But they're coming. Yeah, they're coming from the north, down to Toronto. They're probably trying to get above this stuff there.
Yeah, we're doing fine right now.
Yeah. I wonder if we got a wind change ahead of that roll, or after that roll there too.
Oh, kind of looks like lenticulars over there, doesn't it?
Yeah. Be here. It's not too far away. Jose's awake. Oh, I get the snacks.
All right. Well, I don't need any snacks now.
I'll take the snacks.
Hey guys,
Hey, man.
which ones?
How was the snooze?
Ah, awesome. Down on my face here a little bit. Pleasant ride.
I'll just take my drink.
Your drink.
My Mountain Dew. I'll get it out of here.
Who got a Mountain Dew?
Me.
You gonna rot your teeth out of me?
Go on this time?
Not yet.
right.
I'm fine, thanks.
Got Sun Chips as well. And your peanut M's, Dad, and a Coke. We're higher. We're 13,000 now.
We're gonna be able to drop down here soon again.
Yeah, that's what I said. It kind of looked like it went shelf or cleared. It clears, I think, way up there. It looks like it.
I don't know if that's clear.
Clearer.
Really kind of hard to gauge, isn't it? Looking out there.
Yeah.
But they're still with us or against us?
Oh, we're bucking a wind.
It's varying, but
We've been varying all over the map. It's been changing. We've been as slow as almost 120 knots and as fast as 147.
Wow.
It's crazy. Whatever this jet stream pattern is, it's
Variable.
yes.
All right.
but we're still tracking like 3 hours and 40 minutes right now.
I know it.
Oh, we're in the ballpark of what it estimated on the flight planning.
Yeah, it looks like it just falls off right there.
Yeah, just after this roll here. Look at that. Cloud we're here, then down.
Fascinating, yeah?
It is. I told you, weather is really an interesting thing.
The cool valley of clouds there.
geez, that's the lake over there, look.
Yeah, there's a hole.
Well, if she wants us to drop back down to 12, we can do that.
All right, I'll talk. We want to wait till he passes, or?
Let's go by a little bit further here. Let's see what this little edge is here.
Okay.
How high are we up?
We're at 13.
13.
Kilo Tango, contact Toronto Center now on 13425.
Over to Toronto Center, 13425, 64 Kilo Tango. Have a good one.
3425. There you go.
I'll tell him we can take 12,000 now, too.
Yeah, tell them, you know, we could try 12,000 again. Looks like the top's dropped down.
But you see those bumps way up there? You want to, I don't know.
Okay, let's see what he says first.
Okay.
Let's sign in at 13. We're doing 139. It's not as different than we were doing at 12.
Yeah. And Toronto Center, Twin Cessna 64 Kilo Tango with you now, 130, flight level.
Twin Cessna November 64 Kilo Tango, Toronto Center, good day, altimeter is 2975. Just advise when you're going to be able to go back to an altitude appropriate for direction of flight.
Hell, we can do 12,000 now.
Okay, 2975, and we can descend down to 12,000 now.
4 Kilo Tango, roger, descend maintain 12, 12,000.
Descend to maintain 12,000, 64 Kilo Tango.
November 64 Kilo Tango, contact Toronto Center now, 127.0. Have a good one.
Over to Toronto Center, 127.0, 64 Kilo Tango. Have a good one.
681, thank you, 13,000.
Roger. Tell him you just descended to 12,000.
Toronto Center, Twin Cessna 64 Kilo Tango, checking in with you, 12,000.
November 64 Kilo Tango, Toronto Center, roger, altimeter's 2975.
2975, 64 Kilo Tango.
Sure.